Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure PubG Mobile is updated and you have at least 2 GB free. Once done, open in-game settings, right arrow graphics, and pick the highest available preset. You also should enable developer options to lower animation scale to 0. 5. For snappier UI, this is optional but helps performance. Make sure background apps are closed and battery saver is off so the GPU can run at full speed. Now you apply specific HD tweaks inside graphics. Choose HD or HDR and push frame rate to Ultra or Extreme if your device supports it, because this boosts smoothness. Once set, turn off anti-aliasing to gain frames and instead enable any image sharpening or image boost features to retain detail. This trade-off preserves clarity without the heavy GPU cost. Also change style to classic or movie and reduce shadows, which often cause stutter in crowd. Finish by restarting PubG Mobile so all changes take effect, and check FPS with the in-game counter or an overlay. If your phone heats up or throttles, immediately lower the frame rate or switch resolution down one step and enable thermal control to prevent shutdowns. Make sure to test in a training match to verify stability. If you encounter crashes or artifacts, reset graphics to default and reapply one change at a time. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.